This is the Dsus2 chord. Hi, my name is Tom Fontana from TheGuitarLesson.com, and today I'll be teaching a Dsus2 chord. So the Dsus2 is an easy variation of the D major, because all you really need to do is to take your middle finger away. So what's left is your first finger on the second fret of the G and your ring finger on the third fret of the B. And you're strumming strings 4 through 1. Now let's just make sure that our chord is ringing clearly. So hold down your chord and strum each string one by one. And make sure that none of the strings are buzzing and all of your notes are loud and clear. If you do hear anything wrong with the chord, then just revisit your hand position. Make sure that all of your fingers are arched up like this. They're as close to the metal fret as possible, and that you're not touching any of the adjacent strings with your fingers, okay? Now let's just practice the Dsus2 a little bit by using the chord on, chord off technique. So first of all, hold down the Dsus2, strum, and take your hand off, wiggle your fingers around a bit, chord and strum. So chord off, chord on. Chord off, chord on. So the point of this exercise is to really burn this chord shape into your muscle memory, okay? So sooner or later you'll be able to come down right onto those frets on the given strings and form that Dsus2 without even thinking about it, basically. To practice the Dsus2 a little bit more, you can fool around with the Dsus2, D major, Dsus4 chords and just apply any random strumming pattern. And that's how you play the Dsus2 chord.